Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, we're going to do a really super easy chicken and potato stew with tomatoes, garlic and rosemary. It really is easy. It is absolutely delicious. It doesn't take that long. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So we're going to get started off with our chicken. I've got 1 kg of chicken here, chicken parts. So I've got some thighs, wings, legs, other bits like that. The skin is on, the bone is in. Let's get to the cooker, get started on this, then I'll show you the other ingredients. So let's get our chicken started. I've got a little bit of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you want. We're going to drop in our chicken parts. We're on a medium heat only. We're going to add some salt. Going to get some black pepper in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fry this on a medium heat for about 6 minutes. Just get it on its way. This is a beautiful, beautiful stew. So as our chicken is cooking, which you can probably hear in the background, let's take a look at the other ingredients. 1 can of tomatoes, 300 ml of a stock. I'm using a beef stock. You could use chicken stock or you could use vegetable. I like the beef in this one. 2 onions chopped roughly, some fresh rosemary, 2 sprigs. If you haven't got fresh, use dried, couple of teaspoons, nice tablespoon of garlic. And here I've got some chunky cut peeled potatoes, 2 sort of decent sized potatoes, that is. Let's get back to the cooker. This is going to take no time at all. So we've got a nice little bit of colour and seasoning on our chicken. Next up, let's drop in our chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon, a couple of onions or 1 big onion depending on the size of that. Let's get our fresh rosemary in there. I'm going to start giving this a stir. I'm going to take one out for the dressing later on. Medium heat, about 4 minutes. See you then. So the onions are just taken and the garlic. Next up, let's get in our potatoes. Now mine are quite chunky. About 4 minutes. Give them a little head start. Delicious. So these potatoes are still rock hard, but we certainly got them on their way. We're now going to drop in that 1 can of tomatoes, whole plum tomatoes, 300 ml of stock, a little mix. Stay on a medium heat. We're going to get a lid on this. You're going to let it go now for about 8 to 9 minutes. No need to touch it. Go make yourself a cup of tea. Okay, we're going to drop the heat down to a low simmer now. Let's take a look in there. Look at that, fabulous. That really is looking special. So a nice low heat now. For about another 5 or 6 minutes. What you're looking for here is to get your potatoes nice and tender. If you wanted, you could drop in a little bit of red or white wine. I'm going to stay away from that. And if it dries out a little bit too much, I'm going to add a little bit more stock to that. But it's looking fine now. So yeah, we just want those potatoes to tender up. Beautiful. Nice low heat. Okay, off goes the heat. I think we're done. Let's have a look. Some steam out of there. And that is a simple beauty. Check that for salt and pepper. It's going to be fine for me. That is absolutely wonderful. Those potatoes are cooked perfectly. Let me get that in a bowl. there you go, absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a lot. Do leave a message, we do like to hear from you. We will see you soon. Stay safe. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Aromatics or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.